One day, John Smith felt so ill, so he went to the A&E. Doctor, help! My chest is so painful. Doctor said, don't worry, let me have a look at your blood vessel. Oh dear, look, this part of your arterial wall has been damaged. The blood has already flowed into the wall to create this tear. I guess you need a surgery, but not quite sure. Let's resort to a computer program, Dr. Wang. Serious? Can a computer program do that? Yes. Let our collaborator give you more details. It's me, because this is my PhD thesis. Hi, John. Well, you know, the top reason for damage and failure of arterial wall is the hypertension in blood flow. So I have characterized the failure-driven force by a mean blood pressure P here. Also, I have considered the three-layer structure of arterial wall. Each layer has different material property, including the elasticity and the failure resistance. So, what Dr. Wang can simulate is much closer to the physiological condition than any other program. So don't worry, John, we can care you. So what doctor needed to do, just tap in the values for parameters I proposed in my mathematical model, and then he will get a quantitative prediction. John, for your case, we have got this critical boundary here, this red curve. Above it, your tear will propagate. So you do need a surgery. Otherwise, a medical treatment okay. Now, John, you are here. So you do need a surgery, but don't worry. The propagation will pause during this section. John smiled. Yes, I feel slightly better now. But are you really a doctor? Yes, I'm about to be, because I'm going to submit my PhD thesis soon.